Hello.
Yeah, hi Deepika. Good evening.
Hi Anil, good evening. How are you?
Yes, I'm doing great. What about you?
I'm also doing fine. Thank you for asking.
Yeah,
So today on what topic would you like to talk?
yeah, firstly, I want to tell you like today I'm so much happy because today we have connected second time.
Yeah.
This is our, yeah, this is our second conversation, so I'm so much happy.
Nice to meet you too.
Yeah, I'm so happy.
Mm-hmm.
So
Thank you.
like today,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, today I think we can talk about like any topic or something like different question that will be better for our audience, for our viewers.
Yeah.
Yeah, like in previous conversation, just we have talked about our like that is like casual conversation.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that was just introduction. Yeah.
That was just like our introduction and something little bit.
Correct. Okay.
Yeah. So would you like to ask like any different question? Do you have any question in your mind?
Okay, Anil, I would like to ask what are your dreams and how you plan your work or the time to achieve them. What kind of
Yeah,
efforts are you putting right now to get that dream or to achieve that goal?
okay. Yeah. Yeah. This is also like lovely question and good question for me. So nowadays I'm not doing something special for my dream because I will do after spending 15 or 20 December. I will be more active. I will be more active towards my goal, and I will be so much serious about my study because I will join my institute after 15 or 20 December.
What's your goal?
Yeah, I want to become English professor in my life.
Okay, English professor. Okay.
Yes.
I
So
think
this
you
is
are currently English professor as well. I mean, you are doing some classes and you're working as a teacher, right? And you are
yes,
delivering the English lectures only.
yes,
So,
yes.
how is it different from your goal?
Yeah, because I always like to teach English and I always like to speak English, practice with my friends, practice with my students. Because in my life, I want to become English professor. So that's why I always like teaching profession. Because if I will be connected with teaching profession, then it will also help me a lot for growing in my life, for going ahead in my life, and I can achieve my goal. So
No, this
that's
is
why.
exactly. I'm asking something different. Like I asked you, what is your dream or what is your aim that you want to achieve in the next maybe 4 to 5 years? It may be a long-term goal or the mid-term goal, like that.
Okay, so if I talk about like my short-term goal, okay. So especially yeah, in my future, like I will open my own institute after few years, okay. And I
Okay.
have to yeah, I have to become a good teacher, but not a
Mm-hmm.
government teacher. I will become, and if I talk about my long-term goal, like my big goal, so in my future I want to become English professor.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Nice.
So, like, I would like to ask you, like, how do you spend your weekend? How do you enjoy your weekend? And on which day you on which day you enjoy too much?
Okay. I usually get weekend, I mean holiday on Sunday and sometimes on Saturday as well if there is some occasion like first Saturday something. And yeah, I like to spend my weekend with some homemade food. On weekends I usually cook some non-veg dishes. I also like to read and write, so I write the things or the whatever in my mind that into my diary or my some Quora channel is there where used to write, and I like to visit the places nearby. So I usually go out and do my practice of driving. I'm learning four-wheeler, so I usually on Sundays take the time out and practice my driving thing. And yeah, sometimes I like to watch movies or web series as well. Like in the last week, I finished Money Heist. That was the last part of it. And yeah, anything. I mean, Sunday is just a relaxing day for me, so I really enjoyed it. Or
Okay, great.
sometimes maybe there are right now, like the wedding season is going on, so like in the close relatives or the friends there will be any marriage, so we just go there and enjoy some clicks and spend
Nowadays
it.
you are attending many wedding ceremony.
Sorry.
Nowadays you are attending many wedding ceremony.
Yeah. I mean, like after Diwali, the season is started, and many of my close friends and relatives getting married. So, yeah, that's going on simultaneously.
Okay.
In
So
even
do you like to go
yesterday,
on
there
trip?
was sorry.
Do
What
you
did you
like
ask?
to go on trip?
Yeah, of course, I like traveling. Um, uh,
Okay.
yeah, yeah. Like on Saturday, Sunday, then I usually go for trekking places. I mean, like in the morning, 5:30, 6 o'clock, I went to some hills and do trekking over there.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
Okay, and you said that you also nowadays you are like learning how to drive four-wheeler.
Yes.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
like, what is the name of your four-wheeler?
What is?
What is the name of that your four-wheeler?
Okay, which brand? Okay, that's a Wagoner car. It's my dad's car, and yeah, I'm learning it to drive and everything. I mean, I can drive on the roads where there is
No
which are
traffic.
not very crowded. But yeah, sometimes in the like the crowded places, or sometimes while taking the rivers and all, I'm not very sure about it. So sometimes I get jumbled. So yeah, for that I'm practicing well.
Okay. And now I want to say that like first January is coming near. So like,
Mhm.
do you want to go on trip?
Yeah, actually, I planned one trip on the I mean, in the last week of December for the Rajasthan, but yeah, due to this COVID and all, I cancelled it.
Or you cancelled?
Yeah.
But what about on first January? Do you have like any special plan to go there and you enjoy?
No, I just said like I have cancelled that. I mean, I had some long trip for Rajasthan, and like the short trip can be at any time. I didn't require any some special planning or preparation for it. I mean, whenever the plans are there, we can just go out and enjoy. And here in Nasik, there are many places to visit nearby. So it's not, you have to plan early and kind of stuff. So we don't usually do that. We directly go. Yeah.
Okay, yeah, yeah. Okay, so like,
What about you? Yeah, yeah. I mean, how do you like to spend your weekend, and how do you usually do?
yeah, yeah. On my weekend, just that day, I am totally free. So like my weekend is Sunday. I get like off day on Sunday. So that day I am totally free, and that day I do not go anywhere for teaching. Just like I do my work a little bit at my home, and if I have any plan to go anywhere or go in any relatives, then that day I go.
Mm-hmm.
Like more videos, more conversation with like many my friends, like on Sunday, because on Sunday I get like many hours time, like full day I get.
Mm-hmm.
So that day
Yeah.
I try to, yeah, that I
Mhm.
try to talk with my friends more and more, and that I practice more.
Yeah.
So that's so I enjoy this my Sunday like this.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. So you are taking time out for your YouTube channel and get to know with other people, and while conversing with them, you spend your weekend. Yeah.
Yes,
That's
yes.
good. Yeah, sometimes it happens with me as well. Some people request me to talk with them. So yeah, I take the time out and talk with them.
Yes.
Yeah.
So tell me something.
Okay. I would like to know how is the weather at the place that you are living? I mean,
Yeah,
is it
now,
cold? Mm-hmm.
yeah, now weather is not like too much cool. It's normal. Now weather is normal,
Mm-hmm.
but yeah, but sometimes weather is changing. Like it's like that. It will rain. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
yeah.
Okay.
Nowadays weather is changing. Sometimes like it's cloudy. Sometimes like darkness. Like so like this.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay.
And what about in your place?
Okay. Right now it should be winter season here, but yeah, sometimes rain also happens here. I mean, rain can be at any time, so it's mix of rain plus winter season.
So is
Yeah,
it cool or like just normal
yeah,
day?
it's cold. Yeah, it's very cold. I mean,
It's
yeah,
very cool.
very not very moderate kind of, you can
Okay.
say.
What
Yeah.
about temperature? What about temperature?
Yeah, temperature is like, minimum 13, 14 degrees Celsius and maximum will be 25, 26.
Oh, maximum. Yeah, so I think like yeah, in my side also weather temperature is 25 degrees Celsius.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay, in the afternoon, yeah. And in the
yes.
more early in the morning or in the night, maybe it will be little colder.
Yeah, little colder, yes.
Yes. Yeah. So yeah, and what are your plans for this new year?
Yeah, this new year I have not thought like for doing something special, but just like we will celebrate, we'll enjoy in this new year with our friends, and we'll try to do best something in this new year, and
Mm-hmm.
like we can fix like some target in this new year, like that will be better because that target will be in our mind, and we will always care about the target and that things like we have to get, we have to do something special for that. Yeah, so I will fix before celebrating my new year, and when I will celebrate that new year, just like when 1st January will come, so on that day I will do preparation and I will start my day with energetic mind.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Nice.
And what about your plan? Do you have something any special plan in New Year?
Okay, I think I really don't make such a kind of resolutions or something like that. But yeah, I mean, the last year was also fun for me, and it was like, completely went with work from home thing only. So, and even like the next year, maybe the same thing, the work from home. So, I didn't get any chance to go out and visit some new places. So I mean, I'm expecting that, hoping that, maybe the next year will be so much good that, this COVID thing should go permanently out of the world so that people go out and mix up and do their regular task and cheer up. That's why. Otherwise, I have some fitness goals, some, like I have decided that to wake up at 5 a.m. in the morning, kind of stuffs. That kind of resolutions are going on, and it does not require to start at some particular day or, the start of year. I do these kind of resolutions in every now and then. So I am really not that kind of person who do such a resolution kind of thing on the first day only. So yeah, it's completely ongoing and improving process.
Yes,
So
yes.
yeah,
Yeah,
and maybe
because we can,
mm,
yeah, we can start our resolution from any day because every day is special. Just we have to
yes,
make, yeah, every day
yeah, every
special.
day is an opportunity. So you can start anything new, whatever in your mind, with the positivity and good vibes that will give you the fruitful results. So um, Yeah, so it is new year, and this occasion, this that occasion that really doesn't admire me. But yeah, there is something, special things are like, you 2020 will be something different, that kind of stuff. Will always be there in the mind with the people around you. So hope so. It will be good. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, sometimes like I also think that only wishing is not important. Also taking action is important. Just if
Mm-hmm.
you are yeah, just if you are wishing and just you want to say that I will make my new year very bright, and in my new year it will be bright new year, and it will be like so energetic. So only if you wish, so it's not gonna be work. Just you have to also take action. What you have to do for making your new year bright? How can you make
Mm-hmm.
your new year very bright, and that will become a special new year? So just we have to take action. So it's
Yes.
also important.
Yeah, right. You need to have some that activity plan in your
Activity
calendar,
plan.
and
Yeah. Like
according to that, you have to work upon it.
yeah,
Otherwise, there will be no use of resolutions or planning something or thinking about something instead of acting on it.
yes. Yeah, but wishing is also important and thinking is also important, because if you are not thinking, then your
Mhm.
action, yeah, then your action will be not gonna be done.
Yeah, yeah, both things are equally important, but acting upon those is very important to uh, see the fruitful results. I mean, many people do the plans. It's not like, only some people do the plans. Many people are admired within themselves, or they get inspired by watching some video or hearing some stuffs or watching some people. But implementing on these actions, as well as to be stick with the plan and working out those, will gonna work.
Yes.
Mm.
Yeah.
Oh,
Okay, so I think this is really super and wonderful conversation with you. And just we have to work on our New Year resolution. We have to
mhm.
celebrate.
Yeah, I'm agree with you, and it's my pleasure to be talk with you, and yeah, have a
Yeah.
good day. Yeah, thanks.
Yeah. Have a good day, and I'm so happy to talk with you.
Same here, my pleasure. Thank you. Bye.
So bye. And
Bye.